on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Still cooking? He's thinking. Because I'm going to lift this pole right out of the ground.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Can't believe you're doing battle with the squirrel. I know who's going to win this. The squirrel.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors,
he's kind of debating. They're watching.
How can he go down like that and not fall? Because this suet stuff, this is like, I need a drink. Yeah, you didn't hear me, you just had to get a drink.
No, he's hearing you. So here we take a closer look at the squirrel-proof suet feeder to see what the squirrel was able to get to. And we can see the whole left side of the fresh suet cake has been clawed away, so he can reach at least that far in order to get to the suet. So the original reason I got this is to feed bluebirds, and I wanted the opening to be large enough for bluebirds, which they appear to be because they turn out to be 1.453 inches wide by 1.385 inches tall. So looking inside at the distance that is too short, it's 1.662 is too short. The squirrels can reach in and grab the suet. And it looks like maybe the next square over might be long enough for the squirrels not to reach in. Turns out to be 2.545, so at least 2.5 inches distance to prevent the squirrels from eating the suet. So the idea is when you fill this feeder with suet, cut it in half and put a spacer on the ends so that the suet is only in the center of the slot to prevent the squirrels from eating from the sides. So getting back to the topic of the baffles, here's a baffle that's unlatched, and as you pull it off of the pole, you can see the bracket that holds the baffle in place, and you can see that it's rusty as well, and we're going to remove it and use a different system. So I found these special fittings 1.5. and I was going to use them as a compression fit, and we'll see how it turns out. Something like 2.425. .055. So at first I didn't know how scrunchy this material would be, how much it would squeeze, and it seems like it doesn't squeeze very much. So had to cut a gap in the fitting to make sure that it didn't wrap around more than once around the pipe, because of course we can't get these in 1-inch ID. Here it is cut, and your cone has to have a perfectly circular hole now. So this is the standard clamp hardware that comes with the baffle, and you can see how rusty it becomes. So you can see it's a compression fit. It kind of moves fairly easily. And now, if you have a couple zip ties, you can zip tie this end to sort of latch it in. So the zip ties are in, and then we can tug on this and we can see it's a tight fit. There's no rust issues. No way to handle, put your hand in between the gap here for a squirrel. And we can cut these off flush. And there should be no noise when the wind blows. It shouldn't have that metal clunky noise. So this is the old method. You can hear if there's wind. There's a metal clunky noise that will happen. And then there's a little gap here for a squirrel to jump, put their hand in there, and just climb the pole. So it gets rid of all those problems.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.